Nature. Where would humanity be without it? It surrounds us every day. It's a vital part of our lives. It's essential in the development of the human race. We take for granted what it offers. It nourishes us, helps us, and connects us. It's funny. People sometimes underestimate it, but in reality, we're all really connected to it. You know, whether it's through the creeks that roam throughout the land, or even the trees that give us the air that we breathe every day. It's truly amazing. And you know, one thing's for sure. It's definitely here to stay. It changes, it adapts all of the time. And you know, we adapt with it. We change to suit nature. Nature's essential in connecting the human race. Forming relationships, building bonds. It is truly amazing. Nature. Where would humanity be without it? Who knows?